Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my first project during my internship at Brainwave Matrix Solutions. So my first task was making a tool, phishing detected tool with Python language. So what is phishing attack? Phishing attacks are a major security threat, tracking user into relieving sensitive information. Detecting those malicious URL is crucial to protect ourselves online. To address this, I have built DP-Link, a phishing detecting tool in Python. Let's dive into how it works and how you can use it. Okay, so now we are at our Visual Code Studio to show you how our tool runs. So we added a Google Safe Search API. Here you can see the API key. We also added two list of domain name and a list of phishing link in a TXT format. We also added some domain that if any domain is look like these domains, then this tool will flag the domain as a phishing link. So as you can see, all this phishing link we have added in our tool, and all this phishing domain we added in this tool. As this phishing link is a big file, so I can't upload it in the GitHub. So what I did, I upload it in Google Drive and share the link in the GitHub repo. So from there you can download it. Now let's run our tool and see how it works. As you can see, it is the interface of our tool. Here you can see I created this tool during the internship at Brainwave Matrix Solutions. So if I search the tool, searching this tool, like as you can see, when I search facebook.com in this tool, the tool marks the domain as safe URL. But when I search as you can see, when I replace the O to 0, as you can see, the tool detects the link as the phishing link. That's how DP-Link works. It's a simple yet powerful tool for detecting phishing link. In future, I plan to enhance it with more features and better accuracy. Thank you for watching. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.